words I ever sent and bury them alive. But even in my silence, still a voice calls out to me. Come and sing, come and sing, come and sing. And cry. I couldn't write another verse, even if I tried. The ground is dry, and so am I. There's nothing left to say. Can't you see? Can't you see? There's something happens Yesterday the afternoon was dark. The rain became a river in the center of the yard. But after it was over, all the birds began to sing. Come and see, come and see, come and see. And oh, can you feel it all around? See it burning like a lamppost. Hear it growing in the ground. Oh, it's the simplest of things. Let there be, let there be, let there be. Take all the words I ever sent and bury them alive. But even in my silence, still a voice calls out to me. Come and sing, come and sing, come and sing. And oh, can you feel it all around? See it burning like a lamppost. Hear it growing in the ground. Let there be, let there be. Well, some days I could curl up and cry. I couldn't write another verse, even if I tried. The ground is dry, and so am I. There's nothing left to sing. Can't you see? Can't you see? But something happens when the earth is empty. The silence is a canvas, and the dawn is gonna break. And my voice is not my own, but still it's breaking out of me. Let there be, let there be. days I could curl up and cry. I couldn't write another verse, even if I tried. The ground is dry and so am I. There's nothing left to sing. Can't you see? Can't you see? But something happens when the earth is empty. The silence is a canvas and the dawn is gonna break. And my voice is not my own, but still it's breaking out of me. Let there be, let there be, let there